What's going on, guys? It's Carson here, known as CDS. Today I'm working on my car and I went through a puddle. I'm gonna tell you that. I went through a big puddle. It's an enormous puddle actually. And I forgot it was there when it floods and rains, and it wiped out some of my car. I'll show you right now. So you see that? Right there? Plastic, and I'm taking this metal heat shield off. It broke right there. But yeah, I got my car jacked up and everything. But yeah. It's bullshit. You know, I went fast through the puddle because
But why? Why would you do that?
I did not want my car to flood. I mean, it probably would anyways if it's deep enough, but I just ran right through that puddle. I was like, it should be illegal for streets to be like that. But I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna introduce you guys to my boy Julian. I'm gonna help him put on 4 tires because he has winter tires on right now. I'm gonna help him switch. And then I'm gonna plug one of his tires because he got a nail or screw in it. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you when I'm done with this. And I'm gonna catch you guys over there. Got this stupid thing on. See it cracked right there. These are so freaking stupid. Now I just gotta take off like 3 10mm, and then I should be able. I just gotta take off 3 10mm, and I should be able to pull the rest of the plastic down. Well, that's not plastic. But that was metal I took off first, but the rest is plastic. That's what I mean. We got a 10mm right here. My glove box. Always gotta have a 10mm. Well, you never go wrong. But it's always good to have cardboard too. You know? So I gotta take off. That's right, yeah. Yeah. Oh no, wait, hold on. Where am I? Oh, I'm up here. Sorry. I gotta take off one right here.
You're a liar.
One
You're a liar.
And then there's one more over there, I think. Maybe, possibly one more on that side, so maybe 4. Then there's just a plastic clip. I gotta take off this panel right here that's hanging. I'll show you guys after.
I usually have my electric ratchet, but I don't have my batteries for it. It's dead. Well, I went to go charge them. That's why I don't have them. Oh, yeah. It's really dead. Okay. The other one is the battery. Hey.
There we go. There's nothing else hanging after I take this out. So I'm gonna be so mad. So mad. See? It's gone. Piece of shit. Piece of shit plastic. Sorry for the language, but it is. Done with my car now. Now, we just bring everything back. This is everything that came off my car. Yeah. Those 2 were connected with that. And that all was just sagging down because the water just scooped under it and all the pressure just, you know. Yeah. So I'll see you guys over at my boy Julian. So I'm going to help him take off his tires, like I said. So, yeah. What's up, guys? I'm here with my boy Julian. I told you I was going to help him change his tires from the winter to all season. Here right now, I'm doing it. Here with my boy. He got a little Buick V6. Little something. But
It's nice.
it's his first car.
I'm not gonna lie, it's nice.
It's nice, but like, it's definitely gonna be time for a new one soon. I'm not gonna lie. Once I start working and shit, get my money up, then it's gonna be time to get a new car. I love it, but we got some problems. Gotta fix the O2 sensor. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, eventually in due time, I would get a muffler on it, but that's if I keep the car long enough. And I don't know if I really want to do that. That just attracts attention to my car. I don't really want that, in my opinion. Kind of want to just be chill, left alone and shit. So, like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Definitely gotta add a cold air intake to this bitch.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Shit. Yeah, that's what happens when you have an old ass car. Shit. For 2000, what? It's a 2009? 2009. That shit old.
Shit, mine's a 2012. The oldest car I had was 92.
I remember that. Yo, he had a nice ass 92. 92, what was it? A Honda, right? A Honda Accord. Damn. I remember that car.
Something.
Huh? That damn did mean something. Yes, absolutely. It sure did. That yes means that damn means everything. God damn. You see the angle? Bro was out here hitting the Spider-Man. Trying to get that shit out.
No.
When you do lug nuts, you want to do star pattern.
Like a star pattern? Shit, did I tell you how I have to open my car door? When I'm inside the car, I gotta roll down my window and open it from the outside. This part of my door broke.
This right here is a torque wrench.
Yeah.
Got a little pin.
Uh-huh.
You pull it, you go farther.
Okay.
Push it to 140.
Yeah. Shit, on to the next wheel. I know it's not my channel, but I did it anyway. I'm doing flipping the camera.
Not me though. Shit, I kinda did the guy.
Yo, that is an innovative, genius shit.
Trade.
All right, fellas.
We're out to the right side now.
The right side. We got the one side down, the other side to go.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Car with the 18.
Yeah.
We got wrist.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
And Jackie from the Pintroid got Jackie somewhere else.
Is that shit all rusted out?
That shit rusted his head. Keep it. Holy fuck. That shit was tight.
That's what she said.
Oh.
You got to record under his car, guys.
I got it, yeah.
You're doing karaoke.
I have
You
never.
don't know how to act on YouTube, guys, or on the camera.
Yeah, he kind of right. I've never seen this part of my car before. Leave me alone. Like, chill on me. Damn. All right, back to Carson doing his shit.
Rusty's.
Yes, yes,
Hey.
My name's McQueen here, and
Yo,
I'm
yeah.
Rusty's medicated
Well, I
bug
don't remember
ointment.
how it goes, but I remember Rusty something ka-chow.
Thank you. I'm enthusiastic. Here you go.
Yeah,
Like the dog shit.
I know, right?
He's a big donkey right there.
Hello guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. And if you guys want to see more content, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And let me know what you guys want to see. I would really be curious. And my camera cuts out very shortly. That's why I do this overlay. Thank you and goodbye. Till next time. And also, if I sound tired, I'm very tired. Today's been a long day. Thank you again.